Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and welcome. I haven't seen you in a long time, and yeah, thank you for being there for me. You guys have been the new members that joined when I was not uploading. Thank you so much, and thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for everything. There is a noise going on. We are charging phones. You know, inverter has got a fan that regulates heat, so there's a noise. Please forgive me for that. How are you? How have you been? I just come from my birth month, which is 29 August. I didn't do anything. I planned a lunch with a friend, but it failed because it was cold. The reason being, I come from a heavy flu, and Liana has got some other things going on, so we'll see what to do. But welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. In the meantime, thank you for liking this video and sharing. I'm just going to do a mother's duties. This moment there's water that is going to do dishes. There is potatoes that the sweet potatoes that I want to cook. Need to cook spinach. I just basically need to make dinner, and I have applied my BB cream from Ghana. I haven't been applying it for a long time, so I don't know how it looks on camera, but I'm liking it. And I have some lipstick. I just felt, let me look clean for once. Let me not just be a mother doing duties, so let me look clean. I did my hair also. I've relaxed it. I have a small pony going on. So welcome to my channel, and let's get into the video. Guys, this is not really fair. Not really fair at all. I took this scrubbing sponge this morning. Look at what is happening. This is right. Is right pride. Be careful. Like, improve. I told you the other time that I mixed it up with the brand Scott Bright. I thought I was buying Scott Bright, but when I arrived, I realized this is not it. Right Bright, please make a better job. I can't use it once and throw it away. Like, it's done. I took it out this morning, and now it's what time is it? 16:56. It's basically 5 o'clock. Value for the money, but this, so far I cooked meat, I cooked butternut, I did potatoes, which are going to be eaten by Moa alone. I know I'm still gonna do spinach, I'm still gonna do gravy, but I think I'm lazy for the gravy. Yeah, so I'm taking out the meat now, then I'm done for this. Then I'll cook pap. Tomorrow is Sunday. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I think of going out for lunch with the kids. I'll see. Guys, this spinach has been bought from the streets, not from the shop. The bunch is very big. I've never like cooked a spinach that fills up the pot, and this is the biggest pot that I have. I have never cooked a spinach this big. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna cook with salt so that it is edible with pap. I'm not gonna do those your creamy and hey, brother, I'm not gonna do the creamy or whatever recipe of some sort, because I can see this is too big for the family, and it's going to be left for me. I'm telling you guys, I just realized me being lazy to make gravy, it's not gonna help because the food are dry. It will be pap, chicken, spinach, butternut. They'll be dry, especially for the boy. So I'll just sacrifice my laziness and do gravy for the boy, as we can take it without gravy. But lo mfana lo, we need a soup. guys, literally I am done cooking. What is left is the bar, but it's halfway there. I'm done. I started, it took me, I'm just gonna say 1 hour 30 minutes. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. I am doing home content. We are cooking, we are doing laundry, cleaning motivation, and everything at home with grocery hauls. So I hope you enjoyed, I hope you liked, and I am just going to do magago. I'm just going to do magago and then I will be done. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and I love you so much.